Stenbach now for another look outside. Folks need to pay attention this week, Natasha.
Oh, they sure do. I know there's going to be a lot of visitors and a lot of people getting ready to head out of town, if not tonight, perhaps in the next couple days. So if you can get out tonight or tomorrow, do it then, if you have the option. Otherwise, beyond that point, start looking ahead to some winter driving conditions. So that would be starting tomorrow night, early Wednesday morning. The possibility of freezing rain, but not for everyone. Very specific locations in the gorge. We're going to show you that on the map here in just a second. Starting Wednesday, expect those winter driving conditions, meaning not only the rain and the wind, but also snow levels start to come down, especially Wednesday night, Thursday morning. Now you're starting to see some snow on the passes. Right now we have 51 degrees, Portland 50 in Vancouver, Seaside 45, Lincoln City 51. Mostly clear conditions with the possibility of some areas of fog developing, but still have some pretty good offshore winds coming through the gorge, especially the west end. That's going to keep us clear through Portland, at least through most of tonight. Now, rainfall totals. How much rain could we see? Now, this is a period starting from Tuesday night, lasting all the way through this weekend. So a good 5-day stretch or so. Anywhere from an inch to about an inch and a half possible. But noticing where the bigger totals are coming from. Further north to Seattle and down towards Eugene, nearly 2 inches of rain now over to Newport. So again, depending on the track of these next series of systems coming through will really determine who's going to get the most rain and snow. Wind so far today has once been gusty right there at the west end, anywhere from 20 to 35 miles per hour. Stronger gusts, of course, also found right around Crown Point earlier today, above 70 miles per hour. Winds are gradually dying down. We still have that offshore flow coming through at least a portion of tomorrow, but that's going to leave the east end really cold, those wind sheltered areas. So that's why we're talking about the possibility of freezing rain. So noticing from about Hood River out to the Dalles, where the wind has been pretty much minimal, if not non-existent. So Wednesday morning here, we're already cold. We're talking about freezing conditions overnight. And then we start to introduce not only the wind, but also rain. Now, wind speeds will be especially strong as we get to Thursday. Here we go, Thursday afternoon, Thanksgiving Day. Noticing wind gusts anywhere from 35 to almost 50 miles per hour. The strongest gusts being found closer to the south end of the valley and also towards Newport, on up through Portland, gusts possibly up to 40 miles per hour. You're still going to see some gusty winds, again, predominantly coming from the south. That includes Central Oregon, 30 to 35, gusts up to about 30 for the Dalles. It won't be quite as strong for Eastern Oregon. Now talking about the rain and snow and the placement here, we were just discussing freezing conditions overnight. That's Tuesday night through Wednesday morning. Noticing Wednesday morning right around the Dalles over to Hood River, and then also up through Parkdale. Those will be the prime spots to see the possibility of some freezing rain. After that, it's all about rain for valley locations. Mountain snow levels will start off right around 6,000 feet and then start to come down to pass levels as we get to Thursday. Friday, we could see snow levels even as low as about 3,500 feet. So you'll see it falling over the coast range, but not necessarily sticking to the ground because it's not going to be quite that cold for us heading through Friday. But snow accumulations could be pretty impressive. We may see snow accumulations range anywhere from about less than a foot to as much as 1.5 feet for the Cascades. Let's take a look at that map now. Depending on which resort, if you're spending time at one of our favorite ski resorts in the Cascades, Mount Bachelor might be getting a little bit more snow than Mount Hood. It could range anywhere from 12 to 18 inches. But then noticing as you look closer to Mount Baker, we could be talking about 1.5 feet to maybe even 2 feet of snow. But you know, what's interesting is that these forecast models continue to change as we get closer to event time. So it becomes really important to stay close to our forecast because there are tiny little details that are going to make a big difference in your travel.
And things can change really quickly too.
Yeah.
Thanks, Natasha.
Sure.
Okay, when we come back.